So have you ever heard the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words? Well, it definitely is. I love picture memories. I love that you can capture a memory of a date and time. You remember exactly what you were doing. You remember exactly how you felt, and you wanted to be able to remember that moment, so you snapped that picture, right? Whether it's a picture of a loved one, a picture of your family, a picture of a scenery, whatever it is, you took that picture for a reason. And with 31, we want to help you remember that memory all the time, okay? So we have a collection. It's actually retiring. I'm so sad. This one really hurts. This one hurts very bad. But our close to home collection is going to be retiring. Now, starting tomorrow, January 24th through January 31st, our close to home collection is going to be on sale. Some of the pieces are up to 70% off. Okay, I'm going to share with you why this collection is so amazing, and you'll see why I'm truly so sad about it. I had to go grab all of my things from upstairs in our home because I use these pieces all over our home. Okay, the first one, and the one that I have gifted the most, is our close to home table gallery. Love the table gallery for sure. But the wood that you see in our close to home collection it's mango wood from India. So no piece is the same. I love that they are trimmed in these wrought iron details. And then you can even etch maybe your last name, a name of a memory on here, where you were. So I love that for sure. And then it's going to come with 3 photo tiles. So these photo tiles are basically like, sorry, didn't want to drop that. These are like iron tiles. Can you hear that? It's like an iron tile. And so we print your photo onto this iron tile. Now, you upload your photo at the time of purchase, okay? And then we will print them on the iron tile for you. Now, you see that the hole right here is on the bottom. Now, when you're uploading your photo, you have the option to rotate your photo 180 degrees to where the hole's at the top. So you could repurpose this as a Christmas ornament later if you'd like. Now, when you're in that personalization and you've uploaded your photo, there's a little thing kind of at the top where it looks like a top hat. You can click that and it'll flip the photo around for you. So that's just a little tip. Another tip that I do want you to keep in mind if you are ordering any of our close to home items with the photos, if you're on a phone and it's just spinning and spinning and spinning for you, try to get on a computer or a browser and do it that way. I have the best luck with Google Chrome. But for some reason with the photo or, photo ornaments that we had or any of our photo products, it's just not, I don't feel like it's very compatible with a phone. So if you have a way to do it from a browser, you're going to have the best experience doing it that way. Now, I do have my little cheat sheet here. I'll show you this. Okay, this is also the close to home. This is the Deluxe gallery base. So you can see basically like it's double in size. Now this one is just going to come with the base here. It's not going to come with the photo tiles here. But I want to show you. You can see that it has 3 rows here. So it kind of gives this a little bit of a 3-dimension feel because you can move these around. There's my little doggy. I don't know how he got in here. So anyways, this is that's my little girl. Look how cute. And then you can also have the option to get our little inserts. So these are little iron inserts. This one says love. This one says home and love. And then we do have some letters available as well. So this is the close to home deluxe base. Okay. And then let me just look at my list here. So we've got the deluxe base. It was on sale for $88 and you'll get it for $26.40. That's truly amazing. And then you've got the close to home table gallery was $68. It's going to be on sale for $27.20. And then you'll see too the choices. These I have all natural wood, but you do in some of these instances have the option for gray washed wood. My home's just a natural look, so I always chose natural, but the gray wash is so pretty too. And then we also have one that's very similar to this, but it's for hanging on the wall. So it's called the Close to Home Wall Gallery. And that one was $88 and is on sale for $26.40 as well. And then another one that we have, love these. These are the close to home round frames here. So this is in the natural wood, like I said, and you can add personalization here on the bottom if you would like. And then basically it's the same thing as these. It's just a 9-inch round iron thing here. So, and you can purchase, if you already have this, you could purchase the round inserts by itself as well. So this one, and if I can figure it out at the end of this video, I'll attach a couple of pictures of how I use these in my home, so you can kind of see them and how I hang them on the wall. But these are really great for making like a wall collage. I'll show you two of my kids. So this is my son, so I have one for him. And then this is my daughter. These were their Christmas pictures this last Christmas. So, and then the back, I'll kind of show you the hardware here on the back. So you can, you know, slide your picture down in here and then move this back and forth so it'll hold your photo in there. And then of course it's just going to hang with the twine. It does come with the twine. So that's the close to home round frame. That one is, it was $68 on sale for $20.40. And I'm like, I'm really sad. I'm really, really sad about these. I'm sorry. I'm having a hard time getting over it. And then you can also purchase the gallery, or not the gallery inserts, the photo inserts. These are the 5x5 size. So the 5x5 size are the ones that fit really great in here. So the 5x5 were $14, and you'll get them on sale for $10.50. And then there are going to be some other items that are going to be tacked onto the sale as well. So just some like totes and things like that. So you can definitely check that out. Some of those are up to like 57% off. So fold away totes, organizing zip case, small essential storage tote, tiny utility totes. So when you go on my site tomorrow morning on January 24th, you can click this. I'm sure there's going to be a banner at the top, but you can click that and see what else is on sale. So anyways, I'm super sad to even be making this video because I just love these products. They make such wonderful gifts. So think about the gifts that you have throughout the season, whether it be you're preparing for a wedding gift. Oh my gosh, wedding gift with engagement photos, or someone's having a baby. So many amazing gift ideas. Anniversary, oh my gosh, birthdays, you know, all those special occasions that you want to capture that memory. So definitely be checking out the sale. And it's supposed to start at 3 a.m. tomorrow morning, January 24th. So if the site's slow, just hang in there, don't refresh. But I do feel like some of these items are going to sell out very, very quickly. I don't know inventory, I have no idea, but I just feel like they're just gonna go fast, and I'm just so sad. So anyways, I'll attach the pictures of how I use some of these items in my home so you can see, and hopefully if I can figure that out. If you don't see it at the end of this video, then I couldn't figure it out. I'm not tech savvy, you guys. I just come on here and make a video. So I appreciate you watching so much. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any of my videos. You'll get a notification on your phone when I post a new one. So if you're shopping or you're watching today and you do not have a 31 consultant, I'd love to be your girl. So I'm going to link below the link that you click to join my VIP group on Facebook. So answer the 2 questions, and then I'll send you back a private message. Reply back to me in that private message, and hopefully we'll get you added to my VIP group there. So again, thank you so much. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Looks like I figured it out. Yay me! Thanks for watching. Bye.